Harihi Om, Namaskar. Hi everyone, I am Baba Saheb Jagtap. I welcome you all to my channel Yoga 360 Journey. It is yoga in all dimensions and all paths. Now, we all are friends in this journey. Thanks for watching part 1 to part 14. If you have missed it, then click on the link given in description below. My humble request, if you find these parts helpful and research based, please do subscribe to my channel. Just one click, okay? In part 14, we had discussed about Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation. Let us begin part 15. The next topic is journey to asanas and asanas in standing posture. Watch it till end. Before proceeding, please watch part 9 for do's and don'ts and part 10 for chart of asanas and standardized courses. After Surya Namaskaras, we can proceed to different asanas and pranayamas. Ashtanga Yoga. Paths of yoga, mudra, concept of chakras, etc. Because till then, our body will attain required flexibility and stamina due to practicing Sukshma Vyayam and Surya Namaskaras, asanas in Hatha Yoga. In Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Yogi Swatmaram gives elaborate description of 15 asanas, their effects and methodology of performing them. Yogi Swatmaram learned Hatha Vidya from Matsyendranath, Gorakshanath, etc. We will also be covering those asanas in our journey of asanas among other asanas. Hakaraha kirtita suryasha thakaracha chandra uchyate chandrama surya goda hatha yogi nigadyate. Shri Gorakshanath. The word hatha is a Sanskrit combination of the ha means sun and tha means moon, which in itself is a union of opposites. Some interpret hatha as stubbornness, but it is incorrect. Hatha yoga has thus inter alia importance of balancing of Chandra Nadi and Surya Nadi with the practice of pranayama for nirogi health and a step towards achievement of highest goal of human life. Asana should be practiced for steady health, arogyam, gaining steady posture, sthairiam, health and lightness of body, anga laghavam. When one is able to stay stable for more than 3 minutes in the final posture of asana, then it is said to that he has achieved asana siddhi in that asana. These are prescribed to improve physical health and clear the mind in preparation for meditation in the pursuit of enlightenment. These asanas definitely balances the Shat chakras in our body. There will be a comprehensive video on Shat chakra Vedan, that is balancing of chakras. Balancing of chakras results in balanced personality. You will be a person of attractive and energetic personality. It will enhance your soft skills. Now, standing asana, Trikonasana. Stand straight with heels and toes together. Slowly take a step to your right. The distance between the two should be about 2.5 feet. Like this. Bend down Slowly. Stay there. Slowly come up. Bring your foot close. First. Now with another leg. Similarly, left toe will be in 90 degree. Left hand parallel to ground. Bend down. Stay there. This is Trikonasana. You can do 2 rotations of this Trikonasana. Now we will see next asana. Let us practice head knee pose. Similar, little bit difference. See, same way. Okay, now bend down. Try to touch your forehead to your knee. Only try. Don't bend your knees. Come up. Then opposite side. Slowly. Come up. This is head knee pose. You can do 2 rotations of this. Now we will go further. Tadasana. Tadasana is standing like a palm tree. Very simple. Tadasana. Even you can raise up. You can hold Tadasana for 1 minute. Do 2 rounds of this Tadasana. Now we will be doing Tiryak Tadasana. Start. No difference except moving towards left, right, and then towards left. Coming to the center, to the right, center, and then left. This is Tiryak Tadasana. Now we will be going to do another asana, which is Utkatasana. Now, next asana is Utkatasana. It is sitting in a chair pose. Slowly. Be there. You are in a final pose. This is Utkatasana. This will give strength to your knees. Stay there. Slowly come up. You can repeat this 8 times. Now next asana. For benefits, I have given a separate slides. Now Padhastasana. Padhastasana is covered in Surya Namaskara. Whereas we will do it again. Padhastasana. Padhastasana from front side. Slowly bend down from the waist. Slowly. This is from front side. Now next asana is Garudasana. Garudasana is eagle pose. Eagle pose. Stand on one leg. We will practice it once only, and for benefits you can see the slide. Now it is Garudasana. Eagle pose with another leg. This is Garudasana. You can repeat this 2-3 times as per your time. If you like my concept, please do subscribe to this channel and share the link in your groups. Press like button, push bell icon so that you will get notification of latest videos. Motivate me in my endeavor. We do lots of research, practice and devotion for each video. We'll meet you in another video as part 16. Asanas in sitting posture. If you have not subscribed till now, just click on subscribe button as your contribution to promote yoga. It is going to be very informative and useful. आपका प्यार ही सर्वोपरि है. हरिओम. Have a good day.